I mean, I think if you have the time and you have the expertise, then you should take it on. If you say, man, I always wanted to build a green, I'm going to build a green, I'm not sure that's the time to do it. I think perhaps, you know, a green is everything. If it's bad, it's a problem that could haunt you forever. If it's like doing a drainage project and then it doesn't quite work, you can go back in and fix that drainage project. You can lay a green on the ground and say, hey, it doesn't work, we got to tear it up. That's not happening. So just make sure you have a perfect understanding of what your expertise is and then the expectations of the members. I mean, guys will say, it's such a problem, I'm going to do it. They didn't give me enough money, but I'm going to do the best I can. I'm telling you what, that's got real risk involved with it. You know, at the end of the day, you want to make sure it works. And if you've never done a green, then that's probably not a good thing. You're probably better off subbing. And if you say, well, I can't afford that, well, then go to the contractor and say, look, I'll buy all the materials, which will save you money because they put a markup on materials. And I'd like my crew to help anywhere we can. You know, like we'll remove the sod and we'll put the sod back. Well, I'll use my staff to haul all the soil out and we'll make sure we'll bring everything in and you do all the technical work. If you can find somebody like that, that's the best of both worlds. You're going to save the club a lot of money. And the really critical thing that you're not experienced at, like final grades and that kind of stuff, he'll do. And you got to be properly equipped. Do good time cost studies, you know. If you do it yourself, when you really sit down and figure it out, you start renting dozers. And then if you not have somebody that really understands or knows how to operate a dozer, then that's catastrophic. You know, because now you're wasting time. You know, a contractor can come in there with his own equipment and it'll take X amount of time. You know, a lot of guys say, well, I really want to do it. Yeah, but that's not really why they hired you.